table. We strong and we black. In a rap base, chasing after cheese and get fat. Camouflage cover my chest with jeans and a cap. Hip hop's dead, nah man, we taking it back. This is what it's all about, and I'm stating the facts. You can get lost, of course, to go the track, but I told you I flow to the planet collapse. Read deep, keep my steez, envision the sax. And I'm Coltrane a bird, now I'm giving you dap. It's a cold, cold world, she loving the slap. Got me going insane, feel like peeling a cap. But a Mac don't do that, a Mac get cool back. Chili ice cold, high flow, thought you knew that. Serious, see me in the streets on lean, or meditating in the park on the red, black, green. I try to act right, rap tight. Step in my zone, it's like a slap fight. Industry is all about the limelight. I chronicle the game like I'm Cronkite. I try to act right, rap tight. Step in my zone, it's like a slap fight. Industry is all about the limelight. I chronicle the game like I'm Cronkite.
They wanna know my name and get to stroke the mocha mix, but I'm impressed with how you maintain more than your least whips and how you flip tricks. He focused on the super high gloss on my lips. Now let me give you a tip, Cali girl, we know them politics. I wrote the book of class, fill up my glass. This shorty talented for more formalities. Recharge your batteries. I'm about to work it like Kanye, burn some calories. Give you a cavity, sweeter than Kool-Aid in the hood. Please don't be mad at me. Verbally working salary into my hustle, counting these weak ass approaches. Bodies level hit, chicken little blood sucking casualties. Miss Mariana, let her rally lead. Before you call my number, know your craft. We can share commodities. Could be the hottest thing, like Ozzy D and Ruby D. Chemistry mean everything, so you
gotta
gotta
act right, rap tight. Step in my zone, it's like a slap fight. Industry is all about the limelight. I chronicle the game like I'm Cronkite. I try to act right, rap tight. Step in my zone, it's like a slap fight. Industry is all about the limelight. I chronicle the game like I'm Cronkite.
Satan lives in the underworld. Yo, it's getting from bad to worse. The judge of there's no man on earth can curse. Tell them to feel Selassie I first. In this a battle our Gideon. Iron, lion, fire. It's a red brimstone and a blazing fire. Blazing fire. Selassie, our soldier. Burn him, yo, yeah.
Can't touch Rasta.
Graffiti vandals can be hard to catch.
It's a huge problem.
All-out war on graffiti.
2 out of every 3 cans were stolen out of your typical neighborhood store.
And what happens to the kids convicted of graffiti offenses?
Crime scene colon, these cold streets you patrol on. Try to get a hold on, kids strapped with growl on. Crime scene colon, these cold streets you patrol on. Try to get a hold on, kids strapped with growl on. Yeah, it was me and Sua, right? On a Tuesday night, had green, brown, black, 2 blue shades and white. Cosmic stayed home, but Biff Crew stayed tight. Staking out the steel dragon for a true spray fight. In other words, a back jump. Wishing that we wouldn't bump into them whack chumps, cause the layup's getting crowded after sunset. Which is cool, but get in line, cause it ain't your fucking turn yet. Gotta burn shit. Can't come up with no lame style piece.